The typical American man with a bachelor's degree is projected to earn around $2.2 million throughout his lifetime. While this is a substantial sum, Jeff Bezos manages to accumulate that amount in less than 15 minutes. Bezos' earnings equate to an estimated $149,353 per minute, surpassing what an average person would make in their entire lifetime. These big numbers might make you feel discouraged because reaching that level of financial success might seem unlikely. According to Forbes, Bezos has more money than the whole British royal family. This shows that people can become wealthier than even royalty if they have the right attitude and skills. In this video, we will explore 6 essential skills necessary for building wealth. Mastering these skills is crucial, especially from a financial standpoint. If you're seeking to improve your financial situation, pay close attention because these skills are the key to achieving financial freedom. While skills like copywriting, coding, or marketing may directly contribute to increased earnings, the skills discussed in this video are possibly more important. Without these, it might be hard to succeed in anything. Before we begin, kindly give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss out on more awesome content like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Patience. Ever wondered how most individuals end up losing money? Often, a stock or asset experiences a sudden surge for various reasons, capturing widespread attention in the news and discussions. From an external standpoint, it appears to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, creating a fear of missing out. Driven by the desire not to be left behind while others seem to be amassing fortunes, one impulsively enters the market. However, the euphoria is short-lived as the bubble eventually bursts, leading to a crash, and the entire investment is lost. Being patient is crucial, as making quick decisions based on feelings can be dangerous. Getting genuinely rich doesn't have a fast or easy way. While there are chances to make a lot of money quickly, but those opportunities don't come around often. To capitalize on such prospects, one must identify them well before they become public knowledge. Number 2. Confidence. Certainly, confidence is indeed a skill. While some individuals may possess natural confidence, the majority of us must cultivate and learn it. The foundation lies in believing in oneself, in one's abilities, and in the willingness to take risks. Without sufficient confidence, it becomes challenging to embark on ventures or pursue opportunities. Every person has special abilities, but a lot of people struggle to find the courage to start a business, ask for a promotion, or focus on what really matters by saying no to distractions. Number 3. Persuasive skills. In any business, the primary objective is to sell something, be it a service or a product, and often, the product itself may not be manufactured by them. However, their proficiency lies in the art of selling. A skilled salesperson is unlikely to face poverty in the realm of capitalism. Consider this scenario. Possessing exceptional selling skills means you only need to select a product, and it's just a matter of time before you accumulate a substantial amount of money through successful sales. People don't just randomly choose to buy from one person or prefer one company over thousands. There's a specific reason behind their choices. If genuine wealth accumulation is your goal, you cannot overlook the importance of mastering this skill, as it is pivotal for sustained success. Selling extends beyond products. You may find yourself needing to sell your own capabilities, or persuade a team to secure an investment. Even in a job interview, you are essentially selling yourself to secure the position, and the more adept your persuasive skills, the better your chances of negotiating a higher salary. A practical approach to enhancing your persuasive skills is to delve into sales. Engaging with numerous individuals daily, attempting to sell them something, will eventually lead to a point where you feel entirely at ease selling anything to anyone. Number 4. Staying focused. Allow me to share one of the most effective paths to financial success, a strategy that has proven itself across time and remains applicable to everyone. Invest more than 10,000 hours honing a skill, preferably one in high demand. Strive not just for proficiency but mastery, aiming to be the best in your chosen field, so that others seek you out for your expertise. Consider the complexity of taxes, a universal challenge faced by individuals and businesses alike. By becoming exceptionally skilled in accounting and, more specifically, tax matters, you position yourself to offer valuable financial advice. Businesses are willing to invest significantly in professionals who can help them navigate the intricacies of taxes and potentially save them substantial sums of money. As long as there is a demand for your expertise, substantial financial success is likely. Imagine, for instance, having a business and being presented with the opportunity to hire an accountant for $100,000 who can potentially save you $1 million in taxes. The value is evident, and businesses are willing to pay a premium for such expertise. The key to mastering any skill lies in developing a focused approach to learning. Number 5. Self-education. If there's a crucial takeaway from this video, let it be this: the conventional notion that schools are the primary places for learning can be misleading. The regular school system makes many believe that they must be taught by someone else, and going to college is necessary to gain the knowledge needed to contribute to society. But in reality, it often means memorizing lots of facts that may seem useless, repeating them in tests, and then quickly forgetting everything. A significant flaw in the educational system is the lack of tangible motivation for learning. When you ask why it's important to learn certain things, you often get unclear answers, like it will be useful in the future, but without convincing reasons to actually be interested in the subject. Because of this basic problem, people think that the whole school system is fundamentally not working as it should. Teachers employ a singular teaching method, assuming its universal effectiveness, disregarding the inherent diversity among individuals. Consider an alternative scenario where education focuses on practical, real-world skills. The frustration with traditional institutions is exemplified by the absence of meaningful teachings on essential life aspects such as finance, relationships, and social skills. Realizing the drawbacks of only depending on regular education, the key skill becomes learning on your own. In the modern era, obtaining degrees and engaging external instructors is not as essential, particularly given the wealth of information accessible on the internet. Harnessing the power of technology, you can take charge of your learning, exploring and mastering subjects that truly matter to your life. And number 6. Playing chess. If you possess the skill of playing chess, you grasp the significance of strategy. The objective isn't merely to eliminate every one of your opponent's pieces, but rather to pinpoint and exploit their most vulnerable points. Once you successfully eliminate their king, victory is assured. In chess, each move should be calculated with foresight, considering several steps ahead. Winning the game doesn't hinge on a solitary move, but on a series of meticulously planned steps, mirroring the approach to building a business. Playing chess helps you see the bigger picture, going beyond what's happening right now. It instills the understanding that it's acceptable to concede minor battles temporarily in order to secure victory in the overall game. At its core, chess is a game of strategy, and in the realm of wealth building, a strategic approach is equally indispensable. Without a well-thought-out strategy, the path to accumulating wealth becomes elusive. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.